Hey everyone, how are ya? I just wanted to come on here really quick and kind of go over something that I've put new into my store, and it's the beadable, stretchable, one size fits most bracelets. I did this because I wanted to have something that could kind of be incorporated with my stones, which can be a little bit more difficult to do that, but I wanted to be able to add some color, pops of color to things, and be able to do a lot of stacking, because I know right now the layered necklaces along with the stacked bracelets and stacked rings seem to be incredibly trendy and something that a lot of people are into this year. So if we come over here, I just kind of want to show you what I've been working on. This here I just put on my website yesterday. It's both pieces for $29. It has your beautiful corals and marble whites, crystals, golds, that sort of thing with the hand-drilled sea glass. And it comes along with this one here, which has the turquoise, again with the marbled beads and crystals and the rondelle. So that's fun. Again, they're, like I said, they're stretchable. One size fits most. Just this one would be really fun, I think, in the summertime. And you know, you could add your stones or whatever you want to do with that. This one here, this is more of a statement, as it's got the bigger, chunkier beads here, stone beads. Again, hand-drilled beads linked together, but when you add the beaded bracelet, I think it just even makes it so much more trendy and just really gives it a very cool look. I'm wearing some as well. This here, it was really fun to make, took me a while. I did this yesterday. It has the hand-drilled blue stones known as the slag glass from Leland, with the mustard beads and golds and blues and turquoise. This here is one of a more of a dainty gold bracelet that I did that has the again aqua sea glass rondelle. I think it just goes really pretty with the gold. You can also take your stone bracelet and add those kind of like this. Just gives it a really cool trendy look. So I just wanted to come on here and kind of show you in person what those look like and offer you a discount of 20% off. If it's something that you're into and you're a new customer or even an existing customer and want to come over to alliebeans.etsy.com over the weekend, mention this video and I would love to give you a coupon code for that discount. I hope everyone has a great Friday and we will talk soon. Thanks, guys.